What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Mark with Not Your Father's Capital. Let's talk some internet computer protocol. Okay, very good stuff in this video. We're going to break it all down within these price ranges, and if we can clear some of these ranges, which is going to be very important to you guys if you all hold ICP. So let's get this video started. Make sure you guys all stick around till the end. Smash that like button, and if you guys hold ICP, make sure you guys are all subscribed to the channel and following me on X. But drop that ICP down below in the comments box. Let's let the YouTube people out there, the communities out there know exactly how strong the ICP following is and user base, okay? But let's get into it because this is some very important stuff. And as always, guys, not financial advice. So please do your own research and due diligence when we talk all things crypto and financial. But within these ICP price predictions we're seeing, is it possible that ICP actually clears above $14, right? We brushed upon it. We saw some gains coming out in that regard. And now, so we're kind of settling at its high point where we didn't really hit that through that resistance as much as we'd like to and get as high as 15. But there's a lot of analysts out there talking about even getting above $20 for ICP. But as it currently stands right here, right now at $11.14, I want to talk about ICP because this $14 resistance is a very, very strong level that we need to consider, okay? We've consolidated a little bit. We've grown a little neutral in regards to, being overbought and oversold, some of the selling pressure. And this neutral consolidation that we're seeing is something very, very important because we are still in this building phase. It's a very good accumulation phase for ICP if you're long on them. That's where we're going to test above some of the moving averages within ICP. And this $14 level is going to come firmly into position, okay? So if you're bullish on ICP, this is essentially the very important level. If we can bust through $14 and beyond, and you can see kind of how this consolidation pattern is forming where this triangle and this forward uptrend within this moving pattern is something where we do have a very bullish outlook, okay? The triangle is forming above the moving average of 20 days, and that's something where you can look above breaking through these barriers and getting above $14. I think that's what we're going to look at. I think when we see how we've gotten to that 100-day moving average, we've seen some rejection, more so in terms of the recent ICP historical trends, but I don't think that really had much to do with what ICP was doing from a TA standpoint. It was more so, I think, in my personal opinion, what we saw from a little bit of the sell the news event from Bitcoin, okay? But there's still a lot of positive sentiment within ICP, okay? And I think a lot of times, too, a lot of people were taking some profits along the way, which is okay. There was people buying that ICP at $3, $4, $5, and now when you hit that $14 surge, yes, that was a great time to take some profits. And really, guys, truthfully, it's still where you can get back in and enter and re-enter your positions in holdings with an ICP because now $11, $12, you're really not that far off from where you once established some gains. But it really comes down to this support that we have right here around $11 and the $12 range. But the key number, guys, $14, that's that huge, huge resistance that if you really want to test some of these future price predictions where analysts are calling for $22, $23 ICP, you really have to look forward to busting through this resistance at $14, okay? But that's what I got, and as always, guys, nobody has a crystal ball, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But if you do need help looking at the charts, looking at possibly where price levels are headed and so on and so forth, it's not a crystal ball, like I said, but this is my trading indicator. You guys will hear me talk about it. I use it in pretty much every single one of my crypto trades. This is xtalgo.com. I'll put a link down below in the description. And right now we're flashing some momentum up. So I got a little alert on my TradingView app where basically it wakes me up sometimes in the middle of the night from time to time when we get these alerts. It shows the momentum and some of the strong indicators when we talk about what's happening on the charts. So if you can see here from this momentum down point, this was able, if you follow these alerts and use them as buy, sell alerts essentially, you were able to save about 16, 17% before this momentum up flash where you would look to re-enter your ICP position. Okay, so if you're into swing trading, day trading, whatever you want to call it within crypto, and this also can be used for stocks as well, but it does help me. I use it to make a lot of money within my crypto trades. I just bought some Solana last night using it, so I'm looking to see what gains I can get from there. But if you use my promo code down below in the description, guys, 20% off, NYFC, 30-day money-back guarantee. Just say, hey, Mark, I hate it. It stinks. I don't want to use this. 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee. But you can retrace a little bit back to January 7th, 8th, when we were down around $10 for ICP, and you can look at the momentum up flash, and boom, here we go. Look at this green escalator, guys. Solid, solid stuff. Realizing some of these gains here on the charts, and it's really, really probably been, especially during in the bear market. That's a big misconception, is that you can only make money in a bull cycle. And in the bear, I've used this indicator to do a lot of crypto trading because there are a lot of ways to execute trades, and that's why I use XT Algo within my trading. So all good stuff. ICP, I like to see it bust through $14. I want to talk more so about the $20. So let's get through this resistance and beyond, because very promising 2024 in crypto. So I'm gonna have a lot of videos and content covering ICP as well as all of your favorite cryptos here at Not Your Father's Capital. Make sure you guys all subscribe on your way out. I thank you once more, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.